Hey guys, I'm Lydia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rouge blush by Dior. I saw this going viral all over TikTok, so I really wanted to try it out, and I got it in the shade Charnelle. I got it from Sephora. Today I'm going to be doing my first impression and review on it. I have no blush on right now. I just have a little bit of contour. First off, price point for a blush. Not gonna run out of it, so you're paying a lot of money to have a product that's gonna last for a really long time and you'll probably use every day. I think the price point is justified. I'll leave it linked down in the description down below and in the shade I got. So when you first open it up, it comes in this cute little velvet packaging. So cute. My first impression of the packaging is it's really cute and it is really lightweight as well. You open it up, it's just this pretty, oh my god, I dropped the brush into one of my shoes. It comes with this cute little brush. I don't think I'm going to use that because I never use the little applicators that come with it. They're not usually practical. It has a little mirror here. And then it's just this really pretty pinky orange champagne color. It looks like there's a sheen to it, but not a shimmer, which I like. When I first started to swatch it, it felt very chalky. It went on very smooth and blended very easy, but I wasn't seeing much pigment at all, which is why I had to keep going in, and I was trying to see if it would build up, which, as you can tell on my skin tone at least, it wasn't building very easily. I wasn't seeing much of a shimmer either, so it's definitely wearable for everyday use, and I do like that it's very buildable and it can be more natural. You know what, I am going to use the brush because this is a full product review. The brush really wasn't picking up any product, and I had to keep layering to see any type of color. Look really swollen in this video because I just tried a new lip gloss and it's the Too Faced lip injection, so my face just like is so swollen right now, but I still wanted to film this. I wanted to do a review on this blush. When you first dug into it, it feels very powdery. The product does feel really soft. A lot of pigment in some spots more than others, and I did evenly distribute my foundation, and I have no powder over it, no nothing. It's just the foundation. Waited until my makeup's fully set to do this. It's giving like a really pretty peach. Like, it's not too much, but it's not giving me as much as I was kind of hoping for. Very natural. I think it's very pretty, you know, with a real brush, because that little one's just not working for me. So you can see right there, it's that like pretty pink kind of champagne color. I really do like it. It's natural. I think I just like put too much on up here, but overall it goes on pretty smooth, not too much. It does feel a little powdery. I like it, and I think you'll get a lot of use out of it because you can wear this every day and it's not going to be too much. So I do recommend the DIOR ROUGE blush just because it is so natural, it's beautiful, it's luxurious. You're going to use this every day. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this, what your thoughts are on it, if you like it. I'm going to leave the link to the Charnelle shade down below. I got it from Sephora. I post every Wednesday and Saturday, lifestyle videos, travel content, and I have a lot of fun stuff coming, so subscribe so you don't miss out. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.